Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage. And if you're watching this video, you have probably purchased a radio for your car, a touchscreen with a reverse camera, made in China, and a good price, but the instructions are not clear. This video, I'm just going to explain the camera wiring. No, this is not a wireless camera, but it's a reverse camera with full wires, and I'm just going to take it out of the package and explain how it all works. Okay, I've taken the wires out of the wiring little plastic bag there. You're going to need to use your imagination here. I will be installing this camera in this 2005 Ford Focus. Separate video on that. So this video is only for the wiring and figuring it out. And you know, what's this mystery red wire? You might be wondering that. Basically, here is how it works. You have an LED camera, and for the camera to work, it needs to be powered on. And these cameras are not designed to be powered on all the time. If it was constantly on, the camera would not last very long. They're not built for that. They're only built for, you know, just temporary use when your car is in reverse. So the camera needs power, and that's what this red lead is for. Yellow is the video feed, red is for power. And that's where this separate little cable comes in. So this plugs in there, and it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but it plugged in there. And now in this cable you have a red wire and a black wire. Black is always ground. You're going to need to find some place to tie it into the ground of the frame of the vehicle or the metal of the vehicle. And red is power. And for the camera to get power, what you need to do is find the power lead to the reverse lights. Reverse lights are usually clear or white. When you put your car in reverse, these lights turn on. And so in this particular job, I'll be taking off the lens. I'll be finding the power lead, again, to the reverse lights for this car. Whatever it is in your car, you have to find that power lead. So it's only in reverse, is the only time it's on. And you want to tie into that. So this red lead is going to tie in, again, to that power. So car's in reverse, it powers that, but it also powers the camera. So the camera will be on when the car is in reverse. Now, the radio or the monitor also needs to know when the camera is in reverse. And that's what the video feed is all about, this longer wire. And you'll notice that there's a red lead, and there's, like, you know, black cable coming in and a red lead coming out, and a male end here. And it's basically the same thing on this end. You have a male lead, red cable coming out, and you might be wondering, what is this red wire? And basically it's the same wire. There's just one red wire, and it comes out here, but it basically goes back in. It's the same wire. It goes through the cabling, and it comes out the other end. Now, what's this for? Well, basically the red lead is piggybacking with the video feed, and it's going to notify your radio that the reverse camera is on. So what you need to do is you attach the video feed, and then this red lead, you're going to want to tie it into this red lead that's tied into the reverse lights. So car's in reverse, it powers the reverse lights, it powers the camera, but there's power also then going through the piggyback red line, and it will go here. And in this particular model, there is a camera in, and that's where the video feed plugs in. And then the red wire, in this particular case, is attached with the wire nut to the pink wire. And then it overrides everything. So say your radio's on, you're listening to music, you put it in reverse, the camera automatically takes over, the sound goes away, because, you know, it's just letting you know you're in reverse, pay attention here. And then when you put it back in drive, the camera turns off, the video feed turns off, and you're back to listening to the radio. So again, this is Scott with Scott's Garage. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. It has great value to me. Please also consider subscribing to Scott's Garage. I'm just a do-it-yourselfer. I am not a professional mechanic or a professional radio installer, but I love working on cars and different aspects of it. And you can save yourself a lot of money by doing it yourself. And if this video helped you, again, please hit like. Please also subscribe. and have a great day.